Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us imposter with his tongue sticking out in the shape of a heart. It's going to be a really cool design. I think you'll really enjoy it. Stick around to the very end. It's only an 8-minute video. Everything is step-by-step for beginners, by the way. So if you've never drawn anything, you will know how to draw this after, the video. It's 8 minutes. So let's jump into it, okay? Before that, if you like learning how to draw video games, you like learning how to draw things at a very, anything, right? If you want to be able to draw it like your, I don't know, birthday party or something. I'm going to go through a lot of easy to understand drawing lessons on, video games, movie characters, everything you can imagine. I'm going to go over it in an easy format for you to learn and digest. So hit that like if you like that stuff, and definitely hit the subscribe and bell notification if you want to stick around for that. So let's get started, okay? Right now I'm going to go into the viewport of the lens, the eye lens, what do you call it, of the imposter. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve like so. Just throw a curved line for one side of it. I'm going to go over here and go through the front, curve the front here. I'm going to do the same thing back because it is more or less just kind of like a square. Over here, the back over here, and that's essentially the viewport for the imposter. Gonna throw the bottom line here for the upper lip. Curve line back. Up over here. Curve for the top of the head, because he kind of opens up like a, how do I say it, like a Muppet or something like that. He opens his whole body, right? That's the whole point of the kind of the imposters. When they're doing that, they open up their whole body. Curve for the back of the head here, underneath here as well. So that's going to be a fold. Since it's pulling back like that, there's going to be some crunching fold. So that's kind of like a neck, like when you angle your neck back, you have a little fold in the back of your neck. Maybe some of you, I do. And I'm gonna draw the bottom of the mouth. Mouth is open wide. Okay. Start over here, maybe a little bit inward, not totally from there. And I'm going to pull down here for one of the legs. Going around the front, pulling that lip out. And then I'm going to draw the other side of the leg. Curve here. Curve here. Up. Up. And curve forward for the lower body. So he's got this kind of teddy bear legs thing going on. Cool. So let's go over here to the backpack. And I'm going to start over maybe around this level. Maybe even halfway, a little bit upper halfway, either way. For the top of the backpack, I'm going to mark it on this side. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to pull down and curve around the corner there. And the backpack itself also has a fold in it because it's, in the way of that. It's gonna maybe start up here and it's gonna connect in the back. Fold's a little different. Okay. Let's go over here for the teeth, and I'm gonna draw just kind of these rectangular shapes. Nothing too wild, nothing too big. Like so. Sometimes I recommend people like change up the size of those, and you can totally do that. But right now I'm like, it's fine. You don't need to. And now we're gonna draw the tongue. I'm gonna start with maybe the top of the tongue here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up. It's gonna curve back over here down. So it's gonna be one side of the heart, right? Pulling in here. In. Curve. Out over here. So that's a general shape, right, of what we want. Now we have to flesh out the tongue, right? So you have to be kind of careful. Let me start at the end over here, pull back. Pulling in. You gotta slowly follow it. Continue to follow it over here. Oh, here's the lens. I'm gonna draw a line across for kind of giving a reflected look. You can also maybe thicken, like you can make it thin over here, this line. Looking at the line, you can make it thin. You can make it thicker at the middle and maybe thin it out again. And that kind of gives a reflective look at it. And there you go. That's it. That's, you know, basically a crewmate. I'm not a crewmate. It's an imposter from Among Us with kind of a heart shape with the tongue coming out. I hope you enjoy that. I hope that gave you some value. Hopefully, you know, you can, if you need to rewatch the video, hopefully you can be able to draw this on stuff now. And yeah, if you like the video, hit the like, and please, if you want to help the channel out, the best thing you can do is to share this video with a friend that you think might enjoy it. And that's it. Say hi to me in the comments if you actually got to this point, then I'll know. I'll be like, oh cool, you made it to the end. And that's it, all right? If you have any suggestions, if you want to become a better artist, go check out the links in the description. Or you can always just reach out and say hi, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Have a good one.